Good morning and welcome to the Option Pit AM Volatility Report. I'm Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com. Reminder, none of this should be considered as investment advice. Options have risk. You should consult your financial professional. If you lose money, it is your fault. So, what is going on in the world? Well, as you can see, we had GDP. It does not appear to be having much of an effect on the markets. You've got the S&P up $8. We're now through resistant points and scary stuff for people. People are going, oh wow, look at that. We're now up 8. That's a nice move for the market. If you consider where kind of we were Tuesday morning, which was below 1800. So 60-point reversal and volatility around 19 now. What's interesting is despite the fact that we're up today and we're going into weekend, we're seeing VIX and VIXMO up, even as the futures are down. So what's interesting is if you look at VIX, it's up. VXX, down. UVXY, down nicely. So kind of an odd scenario. That happens sometimes, and it's related to the futures. So even if VIX sits, there is some spreads between futures that need to start to tighten up. So there's only, once you count Monday, about 17 days left in the March future. Expires on the 16th. So $1.50 spread, generally kind of a wide spread. And then the spread between April, this should tighten. And then the spread between April and March is relatively tight. So April may sit for a little bit, but March probably needs a little bit of a beat down. So I wouldn't be surprised to see March get to 20.5, 20.35, some 20 and a quarter today. Just to get spreads within where they should be. Areas where things are kind of acting more as we kind of discussed. Look at oil. We still above 60, but we may see a threat of 50 today in OIV and OVX. OVX being USO related. In the next day, if not today, it could be Monday. But there is some real real volatility coming out of these names, and you can see that USO now above $9. Oil, maybe not going to the moon, but I think, as I stated, when OIV and OVX got to 80, that was a pretty good sign that we were in a full-on panic. VIXs in 80s typically mean bottoms. GVZ continues to be kind of interesting. The vol is just too high in gold. Too many call option buyers in gold. Meanwhile, in TLT, vol continues to be too cheap. I mean, it's down 1% today, and the vol is in. I mean, this TLT vol is too inexpensive. Right, the strategy letter has a strangle on, and this is playing right into it, and we're happy about it. So, across the board, it looks like the market's going to creep higher and be higher today. VIX will go down on the day eventually, but we may threaten 18 or 17 before this rally is through. I think we have probably through the end of the month. So Monday, all the way up till about non-farm, when we get worried about non-farms on Tuesday or Wednesday, I think falls come in. That's the way everything lines up. All right, folks. On that note, I hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you soon. If you have questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com. You can call me 888-TRADE-01. Thank you.